Hi everyone, welcome back to another one of my videos. As you can already see in the title, so here I have a very special delivery, which is the iPad Air 4th generation. Okay, so this is the box that it shipped with, obviously. So we should just get right into it. I also got a case for it, which I'll unbox right after the iPad. And so yeah, so it seems to be that this is the place from where you open it. Let's see. Oh, I'm just gonna use my finger because I forgot to get a knife. Oh, but look, it worked. Okay. Oh, there's two sides to this box. Wait, is there? No, there isn't. Oh, never mind. It's just like this. Whoa. Nice. Okay, let's take it out. Okay, so here we have the iPad. So here's obviously with the plastic. So we're gonna take that out. I've actually seen a few unboxings online, and so I know that you can do that. Nice. Okay. So as you can see, this side of the box says iPad Air, the Apple logo, iPad Air, another Apple logo. I got the sky blue version. So as you can see it on the front, it's a blue. This is a really pretty color. Like, well, the wallpaper is. We'll see about the actual iPad. Okay, so we have a pull tab here. Nice. Oh, okay. Some ASMR action. The box is really nice. As looking at the front, if you look close enough, you can actually see the hints of the blue color on the frame. Okay, so now let's let it out. And there it is. Wow. This feels a little surreal. I'm not sure why. Maybe because I've been looking forward to this iPad for so long. Oh wow. This blue is really pretty. I did see it in person at Best Buy, but it's another thing, seeing it in your house. So let's put this off to the side for now and see what's in the rest of the box. So there is the cutout for the camera, and this is designed by Apple in California. In here, let's see, we have the iPad Air, and it's like a quick manual. We have terms and conditions, and there they are, the Apple stickers. Okay, so let's put that off to the side. I feel like I'm putting everything off to the side. Here is the charging brick. This is a 20-watt charging brick, so it's larger than what they used to have before in the iPad Pros, the 2018 and 2020, I believe. And it's USB-C. And so you'll see here that this is a USB-C to USB-C cable. I'm not gonna actually open it yet, or like this, because since I have a MacBook, I'll just be able to use that charger. Okay, so now let's get to the real deal, which is the iPad. So let's take the plastic out. Whoa. So here we have it. It already has some of my fingerprints. The front is so shiny. We have the connector. You have the speaker grills with the USB-C port. Speaker grills at the top. The power button with Touch ID. And on this side, the volume up and down buttons. And then on this side, there is nothing. Okay, so we'll turn it on. That was a really satisfying click. Okay, nice. And as we do that, I am going to open, oh, you saw my face, hello. The case that I got off of Amazon. I'll link it down below if any of y'all are interested. So this is oh, it's a little warped. Infiland, proud quality, or whatever. But yeah, I think it was the only case that I was able to find on Amazon that was that seemed to be good quality and that still had the on and off switch, or the on and off functionality with the magnets, because a lot don't seem to have that for some reason. Oh yeah, and also this is one of the few cases that I found that also covered all sides of the iPad, and which is what I want to protect it, you know. So here, let's get rid of this plastic. Here. Oh, nice! It comes with a cleaning cloth. Okay. Here. And so here we have a protective sticker for the plastic, so the back is actually clear. Yeah, so I guess we'll take that film off. Nice. Okay, and there's also some film on the underside. Okay, nice. Oh, so it's really clear. Okay, so this actually, that reminded me of, you know, like that bucket, like those paint buckets where you remove the paint. Okay, so let's just clean off whatever little grease or fingerprints that I got on the back. Such a pretty color. And we'll put it in here. Wait. Oh wow, this is a really tight fit. That's really good. That's what you want when you're looking for a case. Okay, nice. So let's make sure that it works, the on and off. So yay, it works. So this is what it looks like around the back. Looks way better in person than on like the Amazon thingy. Yeah, Amazon listing. Yep. Yeah. So from now on, it's the setup process. And the screen looks so good. Like, it looks way better than what I thought it was gonna look like. And as you can see, there is a slot up here for the Apple Pencil. It has not arrived yet. I have not gotten it yet, but I will soon. And when I do, I'll make another video for that. Okay. So yeah, that was a pretty quick video for this iPad. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have an amazing day. Bye.